tomorrow. Under the Florida sunset we danced, and it was only you and I. Only you and I. So take me back to South Beach. We were young and stupid, and that was all that we had. Take me back to then. Under the palm tree, it was only you and me.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm back again with another makeup tutorial, and I really wanted to play with color. So here is the eye makeup that I did, and you can see it's very teal, it's very mermaidy. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, let's move on to the tutorial. Going to start with my base makeup, but before applying the primer, I'm going to be using my Farsali Unicorn Essence. Now to prime my face, I'm taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and this is the pore minimizing one. For color correcting my dark circles and also the spots in my face, I'm going to be taking my Eyeliner Pro HD Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. For my base, I'm going to be using the Lancome Tint Idole Foundation, and this is in the shade 415 Bisque W. For a change, I'm not going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to be using my MAC Prolong Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade NC35. And I'm really disappointed in Tarte Cosmetics because they recently just came out with the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation, and I was really excited when it was announced. I really wanted to try it out, but after like the launch and they revealed their shade range, it was like a total disappointment, because why would they just include whiter shades and exclude out the women of color? They did actually announce that they are gonna come up with like a lot of more shades, but it's just not right that when you're not ready, why did you even like launch the foundations? It's just not right. So I really do love the concealer, but I have already mentioned in my Pohla Boishak tutorial last year when I was using it for the first time that I literally hate the scent of it, but the concealer is really good. Not really good, it's like one of the best, but I'm actually waiting to try out the Makeup Revolution concealer, which is the new Conceal and Define concealer they came out with, which is only £4. So we will see if it actually a dupe of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and if it is, I think I'm gonna ditch the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, sorry, because not foundation, the concealer. I'm gonna ditch it because they just went crazy with the concealer. It was, I guess, $23 when it launched, and they went to $25. They raised the price, and now it is, I believe, $27 for just one concealer, even though you're getting 10 ml of product, but it's too much for just one concealer. And why would they not stick with the price just because it's so hyped out and so good that people like it? It's just not right that you are just increasing the price day by day. It's not something like it's actually a new product. It's the same product, but you're increasing the price. This is just not okay, and it's so hard to get So I think we'll see how the Makeup Revolution works. I have already ordered it and I'm waiting to get my hands on that one. Enough of me blabbering, and let's move on to the next step, which is highlighting my face. For setting my face today, I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics Translucent Highlighting Powder. Done with my base makeup, and now I'm just gonna quickly go off camera and do my eyebrows. And if you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, then I'll link the eyebrow tutorial right here. I'm starting off my eye makeup with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession eyeshadow palette. And from the palette, at first I'm going to be picking up this orange color. And now from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be picking up this shade, and as far as I remember, this shade is Jax. Going back to the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession eyeshadow palette, I'm picking up this eyeshadow, and with the help of this one, I'm going to be deepening my crease. Again from the Jaclyn Hill palette, now I'm taking this shade. As far as I remember, this one is maybe Jada, and this one is in the shade Pool Party. I'm going to be picking up the matte version, and this shade is very beautiful and it's very smooth and creamy. So I am going to be packing this one in my eyelid with my fingers, just because I think with that way it is more intense. This color gives me life. I've been wanting to use this one since I got the palette, and finally I'm using this one. This is so beautiful. For highlighting my brow bone, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Mermaid Collection highlighter, and this is in the shade Midnight Moon. And now to highlight the inner corner, I'm going to be using another Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is in the shade Royal Calyx. For my tight line and waterline, I'm taking this Flormar Ultra Dark Green Eyeliner Pencil. For my eyeliner today, I'm using the Maybelline Master Ink Matte Eyeliner. For my lower lash line, I'm taking this dark bottle green eyeshadow from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and then again I'm gonna take one of these orange eyeshadow to smudge out the green color. I'm almost done with my eye makeup. Now I'm just gonna apply a few coats of mascara and a false eyelash, and I'm gonna do that off camera. Then I will be right back to do the rest of my face makeup. Back to do the rest of my face makeup, and now I'm going to be bronzing up my face, and for that I'm going to be using my W7 bronzer. And as usual, to contour my face, I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. To get some color back on my cheeks, I'm taking the Ofra blush, and this is in the shade Punch. For my highlighter, I'm going to be taking two different products, and one is, you guys know what it is. This is the Huda Beauty Golden Sands Edition highlighter palette, and from this one I'm going to be using the cream highlighter, and then on top of it I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighter, which I used to highlight my brow bone. To line my lips, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour, and this is in the shade Trophy Wife. Finally, for the lip color, I'm going to be using the Ofra liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Americano. To set everything in place, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So this is the final look after finishing the rest of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and this was somewhat helpful for you guys. And if you guys like this video, make sure you are giving it a big thumbs up. And also, if you guys want to know about the product details, then make sure you're checking out the description box below. If you're already not subscribed into my YouTube channel, make sure you're subscribing, and also don't forget to hit the bell button, because if you don't hit the bell button, you won't be notified when I upload a new video. And then again, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also in Snapchat. And I will catch you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.